These two water filtration cartridges are designed for the Mr.Coffee Easy Measure 12-cup programmable coffee maker and the Mr.Coffee Dish Washable 12-cup coffee maker, sold separately. The two-step filtration process uses activated carbon to reduce chlorine, and ion exchange resin to reduce calcium caution. The electrical base, power cord, and plug of the dish-washable coffee maker are not dishwasher safe and should never be immersed in water or other liquids. Removes up to 97% of chlorine from water, as a result of the Mr.Coffee water filter and brewing process. Install the cartridge in the holder by opening and then closing the hatch. Then place the holder in the designated slot in the back of the water reservoir. Remove the holder and cartridge when you clean your coffee maker. Cartridges should be replaced once a month, or every 30 tank refills, so you can set the dial on the water filter holder to the current month as a reminder. Additional cartridges sold separately. For use with the RF, LM, and AM series, please reference your coffee maker's instruction manual to determine which series you own. These two advanced water filtration cartridges are designed for use with the Mr. Coffee Easy Measure 12-cup programmable coffee maker and the Mr.Coffee Dish Washable 12-cup coffee maker, coffee makers and cartridge holder sold separately. The two-step advanced filtration system reduces specific impurities in water like chlorine and calcium to make coffee taste better. First, activated carbon reduces chlorine, and then ion exchange resin reduces calcium. The cartridges last up to 30 days, and fit into a holder that slots into the back of the coffee maker's water reservoir. Includes 2 cartridges, 60-day supply. Top reviews from the United States. Even with good water, needs a filter. What I was trying to do was find out what size these were because I keep getting offered things that were not Mr. Coffee. The only thing I don't like is that none of the water filters for the different coffee do not show you their physical size, so you won't waste your money on something that doesn't fit. None to third-party filters actually say that they fit in Mr. Coffee coffee maker water filter holder. I am not about to spend money to find this out. I know that there are bigger water filters for Keurig cup machines. The filters I received for my Mr. Coffee coffee machine fit the holder perfectly, and based on what I saw when I first put the filter into water, a few minutes later the glass of water was covered with air bubbles. That means the filter is doing what it's supposed to do. Bubbles mean that air is being placed into the water as it is filtered by these filters, which decontaminates the water, then allows the clean water to pass through the coffee. 30 days of use makes sense also. Changing these filters every 30 days will keep your coffee tasting like the machine is brand new. It will help with calcium buildup also, which is a major issue in coffee makers. So, yes, these filters work, after 2 months of testing, and my coffee does what it is supposed to do, make me happy.